Hey everyone, today we have a list of students and their examination presents. So you can see a few cells are left blank because the students did not attend them. Now your responsibility is to fill all the blank cells with the keyword A representing absent. So how do you do that? Select all the cells, press Ctrl G to activate go to options, go to special, select blanks and press OK. Now all the blank cells are selected. Type in the keyword A for absent and press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl Enter, to enter A in all the blank cells. So that's how you do it. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have the user IDs and followers. So this is a little difficult to understand. So let's convert them into millions. All you have to do is right click, go to format cells and here go to custom, and instead of all this, try typing hashtag dot 00, and here try to type in capital M for millions. Now press OK. So there you go. Instead of all the numbers, you have millions. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we'll try to print the dates in form of days. Let us assume that this particular dates are been given to you and you're asked to print them in the form of weekdays. Right? How to do that? It's really simple. All you need is text function. Press tab to select it and press the cell. And now type in D. Close the bracket and press enter. There you have the weekdays. Now drag the cell and you have the weekdays for all the dates. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will be learning how to copy paste only the visible cells without having to use the go to option in Excel. Is that possible? Yes, all you have to do is select the rows that you don't want to copy paste. So I'll select the cells from row number 6 to row number 11 and I'll hide them. Now quickly press the shortcut key, that is Alt semicolon. Now select the cells that you want to copy paste, Ctrl C, and paste them wherever you want, Ctrl V. Voila! Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will be learning about customized cell formatting in Excel. Let us assume that you wanted to share this data with your colleague and according to company policies, you cannot share salary details. So, is there a way to make it invisible? Yes, without having to delete or hide the column. So select the cells, right click, select format cells, and in this, go to custom and instead of general, type in semicolon and press OK. Voila, the data is now invisible. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will learn another trick in custom formatting in Excel. So let us assume that we wanted to add +1 or the country code to these phone numbers. All you have to do is right click, go to format cells, select custom formatting, and here instead of general, type the country code space 10 numbers, right? So 10 zeros and press OK. There you go. The country code has been added to all the phone numbers. Thank you. Hey everyone, let us assume that this data has been given to you and you are asked to filter out only the Intel processors. How is it done? It is really simple. All you have to do is select the filter function, press tab to select it, and now select the range of processors. Press function key F4 to fix the range. Next, select the range of manufacturers. Press function key F4 to fix the range, equals to Intel. Close the bracket, press enter. There you go. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we have some data, that is the manufacturer and the processor name. So we have Intel, Asus and AMD manufacturers and their processors on the P column. Now we will be using the filter function to organize them. So it is really simple. All you have to do is type in filter, tap to select, and the first range, that is the processor's range, and then press the F4 function key to fix the range. Now the manufacturers. Again, the function key F4 to fix the range. Now equals to the Intel close the bracket and enter. Similarly, you can copy paste the formula by replacing Intel with Aces. Press enter and there you go. Thank you. Hey everyone, today we will understand the importance of function key F2. So when you don't have your mouse pointer working, then you can use the function key F2 to edit any cell. And apart from that, if you wanted to find out the formulas behind a cell, then you can press the function key F2 and find out which cells are involved in that formula and how is the formula being implemented. So that's the importance of function key F2. Thank you.